I literally can't believe that it is June already. This is so insane. I just wanted to do like a kind of get my life together type video, reset video for a new month and share with you some things that I did. So as you saw in the beginning, I always get my nails and my lashes done at the beginning of each month. So I just did like normal French tip nails. I love them. This is the look that I'm always going to be having now. Before I would always do my nails white, but like French tip is my life now. And then I always get my lashes done. That is something that is a non-negotiable. I always talk about that because it makes me feel really put together, and I don't wear makeup in my videos 99% of the times unless I'm doing like a get ready with me or going out. So my lashes really like put my face together and make it seem as if I'm put together. What else did I do? I did my laundry and I cleaned up. So I take like a Sunday and clean and do everything. But I have some other goals for June that I wanted to share with you and just write them down as we're doing this video. If you guys don't do like a monthly reset, I highly recommend it. It's such a good thing to do. You kind of like reset your space, your body, your mind and everything like that. And then you also plan some goals for the month. So at least 5 to 7 goals. I like way more goals. You guys know I'm obsessed like that. But I just wanted to do 5 with you guys right now so we can kind of go through our goals together, and then I have a little grocery haul at the end of this video so you can kind of see what I pick up for my apartment. Since I'm living on my own, it has definitely put so many things into perspective for me in terms of like finding things to do while I'm at home. Like for instance, if I'm home all day on a Sunday or after work or something like that, it makes me think about things that I want to do. So these are fun goals, personal goals that I want to do and things that I would occupy myself with as I'm living alone. Fun things to do. You know, I obviously have my business goals and all of that, but these are goals that I just think are so much fun. And then sometimes we go through life and completely forget to do the things that we love doing. And that is something that I never want to happen. I just always want to remind myself to take time for myself and do all the things. But of course, your goals can be anything that you want, whether it's like work, school, home, family, relationship related, or whatever it is. So one of my first goals this month is to read a book. So I actually ordered the ACOTAR series. I think that's the abbreviation that everybody uses, but it's A Court of Thorn and Roses. Yeah, ACOTAR. You guys know what I mean. So I want to read that. They're supposed to be delivered sometime this week. So read a book. Read book 1. I've heard so many good reviews about this. Like if you guys have ever read this, definitely let me know in the comments down below, because I just want to read more, since sometimes when I come home on evenings I have like a little gap time where I think like reading a book like as the sun is setting would just be such a perfect thing to do. So definitely read book 1 in A Court of Thorn and Roses whenever I get it, but this week. Something else that I really do want to do is learn how to make shrimp cocktails. So shrimp cocktails is something that I always wanted to do, and I love shrimp cocktails so much. So that is on my list. It seems really easy, so I can't wait to try it. My third goal is to organize my makeup and skincare, because I have a lot of makeup and skincare that I have floating about, because since I moved I don't have a vanity area. So I'm gonna like use part of my desk in the back there, because this is where I would do my makeup anyway, because it has the best lighting. Look forward to that in a future video. I'll be doing the drawers in there, making it look all cute and organized. Makeup and skincare. Count how many times I said that. So my fourth goal for this month is to do something craft or hobby related. So I love crocheting. I know it is so funny. I actually crocheted a top and it came out really good, but I want to make like a cute crochet accessory. I don't know what it is yet, but I will just add it on my list. And my fifth goal, I'm thinking, I already have my workout goals, so I do like 5 days a week. My goal to have a more social life is to go out once a month every Sunday. I know, I need to have a social life. Like that should definitely be my 5th goal. So my 5th goal is to get a flowering plant and plant it on my patio. So hopefully like birds and little insects come, and Coco absolutely goes nuts when she sees anything through the glass. So hopefully the flowering plant will attract some kind of thing. So those are my 5 personal and fun goals for the month. I know I always do like really serious goals with you guys, but these are like 5 goals that I want to do. Comment down below and let me know what else I should do. I want to bake something maybe next month because I'm going really slowly but surely with my cooking situation. I absolutely cannot wait to check these off my list. I will obviously update you through my June videos on how that is going. Let me share with you a little grocery haul that I did yesterday. That is something I also do every single month to get myself together and get my life together in my apartment. So it's basically nails, lashes, clean laundry, and then restock my fridge. Like those are the main things that I do every single month. I just picked up some fresh produce and I wanted to do a little haul with you. I usually buy fresh produce around 2 to 3 weeks because I love buying seasonal and I love like stocking up my home with a lot of fruits and vegetables. So I would do like pantry items and actual like grocery shopping every month and really stock up on that. But since everything is in season, especially my favorite fruit, which is mangoes, I am definitely just shopping because seasonal fruits tend to be a lot less expensive and just so much better quality. So these items are things that I have in my fridge almost all the time because it's stuff that I use almost every single day. You guys know I love my sheet pan vegetables and I love like cooking very similarly every single week because I have like a meal plan that I stick to. But yeah, I have broccoli, kale. I love buying really big bunches of kale because I try to eat kale every single evening, every single night for dinner. I have kale with something else, but I make sure to have my greens and get in my greens. Some parsley that I wanted to do like tabbouleh with, and then I just realized I completely forgot my garlic. So there's that. I have lime. I love lime so much. I've been using in every single meal. I really love the freshness that lemons and limes give, so that's what I've been doing. I have eggplant. This is such a staple. I love roasted eggplant. It's something that is always in my dinner at some point in time. Corn for my corn soup and potatoes to add to that soup. Mushrooms are also such a staple for me. I love it. I told you guys I picked up mangoes, so I picked up 4 really big mangoes. Like look at the size of this, they're huge. And I love these really big mangoes that are so smooth, just taste so good, and I love adding them to my rice paper rolls, which is something I've been doing as well, which I really love. Whenever I get mangoes now, I literally just take the time to chop all of them up. So it's in the fridge, really nice. I add a little bit of salt to it and I keep it there versus having them go overripe because I hate overripe mangoes. So you have to just get in between, a very fine line for me. Strawberries, because I want to do like chocolate covered strawberries because for desserts I always crave something and I'm not someone who eats snacks, so that's why I have so many fruits. But I do have chocolate chips that I want to melt and make like chocolate covered strawberries. Sounds like a plan, sounds so good. I also have these cherries, which I love, and to treat myself, I do have like an occasional sweet tooth in the night, like I mentioned, and these look so good. I've been craving it. I did not have these since I was like really a million years ago. And that was basically my fresh produce haul. How good does everything look? So like I mentioned, I chop up mangoes and stuff. I also will put my berries in my berry container in my fridge so it will last a lot longer. And I've just been learning so much about like keeping my stuff really fresh and really nice. So it's just a fun learning process, which I'm just so excited about.